Excuse me, how do I get to the hospital? Um, you are here, you are on Bond Street. The first, you take the second, turn on the left. Then you move on King Road. Um, and you go to the corner. Um, Last, you can see the hospital in the right. Excuse me, could you tell me how to get to the Italian restaurant? Uh, you are here, you are on Bond Street, and you first, you take the first turn on the right. Um, then you go to the corner and you can see the Italian restaurant in the right. Excuse me, how do I get to the cinema? Oh, you are here. You are on Bond Street. Um, you are you first. You take the first turn on the left, and you move on Green Street, and then you go to the corner, and last you you can see the cinema in the right. Excuse me, can you show me the way to the bookshop? Oh, you are here. You are on go straight ahead, and you first you go across the second um, cross road, and excuse me, can you show me the way to the past station? Um, you are here. You are on Bond Street, and you first you take the second turn on the right, and you move on King Road, and then you go to the corner, and you can see the past station in the right.